fucking cop for you. Get up. Glad you're here, officer. Oh, I just bet you are. Sir, you sit down and you stay right there. You kids okay? Why don't you step out of the car, if you don't mind? She can't move, sir. I can't find my girlfriend. Get a grip on yourself, son. Sir, that was for your own good. Okay, come on, kids. Let's get out of the car. Sir, she's really got it.